Hey guys, it's the one and only HER.ARTIST and welcome back to my channel. So today I will be drawing Rira Shirayuki, an Instagram model, singer, cosplayer and voice actress from Japan. Her Instagram is @KirarinHarryOfficial and she's got over 178,000 followers on Instagram. She's also got her own website where you can sign up in order to become a member of her fan club. You can find it at meglamu.com. Be sure to check it out if you want to see more of her exclusive work. I decided to draw her today since I really like the upward-looking expression on her face, as well as her bob haircut, which is extremely popular in Japan. Furthermore, her Instagram bio says that she's half Russian and half Japanese, and that makes for a very beautiful combination, as you can definitely see some of the Russian features in her face. Lastly, she has these very soft lips and smooth skin which make her look very elegant, so I'll really try my best to make her portrait look sophisticated and elegant as well. Now, before I start drawing this girl, I've noticed that most of you guys have yet to subscribe to my channel, so please do so if you want to see more art videos of beautiful models. Also, don't forget to give this video a quick like while doing so. Furthermore, if you've got any suggestions on which model I should draw next, please leave a comment in the comment section down below. I'm thinking that this drawing will turn out well, so please watch and enjoy the video, and let me know what you think of the end result.